Why are you so sad?
I got a little packet of seeds. I planted them all, but they didn't grow.
Edie, I have a very special story to tell you. It's about a curious little girl named Mia and her tiny seed. Mia was walking in her garden. She saw butterflies, flowers, and little birds singing. Suddenly, she found a tiny brown seed on the ground. She picked it up and smiled. "Hello, little seed," she said. "I will take care of you." Mia got a small pot, some soil, and a big spoon. She made a hole and gently placed the seed inside. Then she gave it a little water. Drip, drop, drip, drop. "Grow strong and happy," Mia whispered. Every day, Mia looked at her pot. She gave it sunlight, water, and love, but nothing happened. She felt a little sad. Is the seed okay? She wondered. One morning, Mia ran to her pot and shouted, "Wow! A tiny green sprout was peeking out of the soil." Mia jumped with joy. "You're growing," she said. "Good job, little plant." Day by day, the plant grew taller. It had a strong stem, green leaves, and soon a beautiful flower bloomed at the top. Mia clapped her hands and smiled. "You did it, seed!" Mia learned that plants need time, care, and love. She felt proud. Her little seed became a beautiful plant. And now she wants to plant more. One seed, one smile, one flower at a time. Wasn't that a lovely story? Mia took care of her seed, and we saw how it grew into a strong, healthy plant. Let's remember what every plant needs to grow. Sometimes seeds take time. We plant them, water them, give them care, and then we wait with patience for the magic of life to happen. Every plant has 4 important parts. Repeat after me. Roots, stem, leaves, flower. The roots drink water from the ground. The stem holds the plant tall. The leaves make food, and the flower makes seeds. Now you know how a tiny seed can grow into a beautiful plant with water, sunlight, air, soil, and lots of love. Take care of the plants around you, and you'll see how amazing nature is. See you next time, my friends. And don't forget, every seed is the beginning of something wonderful. Hi, friends! Did you like the video? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more adventures.